Hi, I'm Linir, 67 years old. I wasn't able to get a pro tennis technique for 40 years until I discovered something and then I got it in 1 week. You can read about this in this video description. My serve estimated speed is 100 plus miles per hour. The main reason for this is something that I'm doing with my technique. It's related to the timing of the serve. It's not what the pros are doing, it's something different. The timing of the serve will be easy for you to learn after watching this video, but first let's look at my performance nowadays. In version 1, I rotate my arm counterclockwise during the racket takeback until the trophy position. In version 2, it's the exact opposite. I rotate my arm clockwise. I prefer the first version because it is more natural and easier to learn. It also influences the toss to be more to the front. There is a part in my serve technique that makes my timing natural and very easy to learn. This part is what I talked about in the start of the video. Here is the explanation for it. Now I will show you two very important exercises for the serve. I start the motion by just transferring the weight backwards. I'm not doing anything with my hands. From here, I start the toss. During the toss, till here, I just let my right arm go backwards and outside from the inertia. I don't let the hand drop down. When I hold it like this and prevent it from dropping down, automatically it will do this motion, this curve motion backwards and outside. So it looks like this. From this point, I start to be active with my hand and it's connected to the body. I will rotate my arm counterclockwise and lead the motion with the back of my index finger. I don't separate my motion into different motions like a salute or taking up a bottle of water. Now from the back view. Now the wrist will start the locking motion and the arm will start to rotate clockwise, the analogy for the wrist leg in forehand. Note, I'm not going up because I can't jump in the living room. Racket drop ends and the curved forward movement starts. Not like the pro serves, my serve motion is one smooth curve from the beginning until the end of the racket drop. There is no decrease in the speed of the racket at the trophy position. I'm not trying to reach the trophy position, so it is meaningless for me. My target is to reach the end of the racket drop as fast as I can after the ball leaves my hand at the toss, like you will see now. This explanation doesn't cover my entire serve technique. Watch my full video and master the pro tennis technique in a few days. The link is in the description below.